Hello kiddies, this week we're continuing our drive across Australia. We're leaving Crystal Brook and going down to Adelaide. Here we are leaving Crystal Brook, which we found on Wiki Camps, a lovely free little place. A couple of trains went by during the night, but nothing to complain about. Toilets were absolutely spotless. It's a little old town with some quaint old buildings, tiny main street. And the great thing about this park is when I go around the corner here, you'll see we are smack bang like next to the main street. Okay, there's not a lot on the main street, but we're practically on the main street when this car goes past and we finally get to go. So here we're going to turn right. That's how close I was. I was parked just there. So close to the main street. Don't know why I'm stopping here, but anyway, looks like, I'm checking my camera, making sure you can all see where you are and where you were going. That's what I stopped for. Great old post office here on the left. Great old pub. Lovely wide main street that we can drive all the way down. Check out a few old buildings. So if you get to stay and you want a free camp between Port Augusta and Adelaide, highly recommend this place. Quaint little shops, couple of blocks. Dog was in heaven. It was a great little place. So we'll take off on our drive to Adelaide. So here we are on an ever-elusive trek to try and find a pink lake. So somewhere along the drive between Port Augusta and Adelaide, there was this beautiful pink lake. But because of the weather isn't that good today, the clouds in the sky, you can only just see a tinge of pink. We tried to find one in Esperance. There's one somewhere near the drive out of Ceduna, but we might find that on the way back. But this is as pink as I could find it. I've been here before and it's been a beautiful pink. One day, hopefully, I'll get you a nice picture of a beautiful pink lake. So we've come to Seaford and we have found the beach, and oh my goodness, what an absolutely glorious beach. And the drive just along the beachfront goes for miles and is beautiful. The caravan park we're staying in on the first night in Adelaide is literally down the bottom of this hill and it backs onto the beach. And man, let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The dog was in heaven, going for a walk along the beach for the 2 days we were there. Highly recommended. It was absolutely beautiful. So we only spent one night in the caravan park, and then we went to McLaren Vale and stayed in an old winery, and it was great.
Oh, there's more over there. We're in wine country now, kids. It's all wasted on me though, isn't it? Doesn't matter. Some people love it. It's keeping some of these people rich. Can't believe we're like 10 minutes from the beach. Go away, wind. Tell ya, I like the wind when it's not when I need it. Check out this place. Look at this. Wineries. The view. Some bloke has put his farm on, or whatever you want to call it. Look at that for a view. 25 bucks a night. Yeah, it's a muddy site, but he's getting there. He's only been doing it since December. 25 bucks a night. I'm literally 10 minutes away from the last caravan park, which was 55 a night. So between the two I've averaged. I had toilets and showers and sinks and power last night. I'm all charged up. I'm going to hunker down here for the night. Going to the pub with an old mate. It'll be a great night out. And yeah, it's not flat. I'll give it that. It's not flat. But do you know what? My bed goes that way. So it doesn't bother me because I'll be able to sleep on an angle. So that's us for the night, isn't it, killer? And he can wander around without a lead on. He's as happy as. He can just wander and does what he likes. They've got a few dogs, but they're joined up. So, yeah, perfect spot. Look at that. I'm staying over there. In the middle of all this. Wineries. And then just some bloke's farm. How cool is that? Not that keen on the dirt roads. Cars getting mucky again, but not letting that dog get mucky. And the pub for tea. Might see you there.
Well, I have to say, Adelaide was great. Look at the sunset. I managed to get a 2-hour massage, had my hair done, had a well-needed rest, and I had a great time ready to recharge for the next section.